Hello and welcome to a brief video description of Tuesday's assignment, both in class and at home, career inventory. I do want to point out some of you that were in class today didn't do a whole lot on this assignment. Not a great choice. You're going to have to do it at some point, whether it's tomorrow, during prep, or during one of the lunches. You got to start making good decisions, especially on this assignment, because it's going to talk about what you need to do in order to be successful in life. Starting to plan right now for possible careers. Several of you at home who started doing it simply went on to the assignment and clicked turn in. That does you no good whatsoever. When I opened it, there was nothing. I just reduced your behavior points. Please don't put yourself in that position. So what you're going to do when you go into your team's assignment is you will read the directions, very clear and easy to understand. Down here below is the career packet. That is the page you're actually going to put your responses in, and we'll talk about that in a minute. But in order to get to the web link, you're going to click the reference material here, Nevada Career Explorer for Washoe County. As you can see, I've circled it in red. You will immediately see a page load up, and it will have a red box here that says sign in with Microsoft Office 365. That's how you're going to log in with your credentials. You won't have to create a separate account. It'll then ask if you want to combine your account or merge it. No, you do not want to combine it. You just want to move on. And you're going to get a page similar to this. As the directions say, you're going to discover possibilities, and then you're going to go to interest profiler. If you forget that, it's on the directions page right here. Discover possibilities, interest profile. So please make sure you actually read. You will go ahead and complete the interest profiler, do the 60 question version. Now that sounds like a whole lot of time. I got to be honest with you. It'll take 4 to 5 minutes. But answer honestly. You're not going to get the career choices that you might be interested in if you don't take just a little bit of time and answer each one honestly. Now once you're done, you can go in and view the results at any point. You'll click View Occupations. Now, in the example I'm about to show you, I've got 209 results, which is great, except it doesn't do a good job of actually sorting it, because the first thing that I have on here is hotel, motel, and resort desk clerk. I don't have any interest in doing this, none whatsoever. So you want to take a little bit of time. It might take you 15 minutes or so, and just scroll through, reading through some of the things. There might be some that pop out to you that would be of big interest to you for a possible career. Maybe a real estate agent. That might be one that you're interested in. Or medical records and health information technician. Now, the page is designed to give you a brief overview and some of the stuff you'll need in order to fill out that Word page. And the Word page is going to want to know the name of the career field, a quick sentence summary of what is involved in the job, the training level, so is it high school, is it college, is it doctorate, what is it that's required, and the expected pay. To help you out, let me just point out, name of the career, a quick summary, the educational level, and the pay are all displayed on there, but I want to find out more. So I might click on here, and I'll find out the same thing. I can hover right here. It tells you what's required, an associate's degree or, a high school diploma, the pay, and then about the job. It also gives me the opportunity to scroll down a bit and see some similar fields. So I get a lot of information on here that tells me not only the pay, what level of earning that we see in Nevada, and of course, how likely it is that you're going to find that job. Now, here's a listing of some things that popped up for me. Just like I said earlier, you want to take your time, read through as many of these as possible, just skim through. Find 3 that really seem interesting to you and explore it. You're going to write down what is the requirement, the pay, quick summary, and you want to take a little bit of time in order to fill this out. Now, this page I absolutely need because I'm going to use it in order to finish my activities that we'll be doing for the next 5 weeks. So at some point when we get to the tax section, I'm going to have you reference this page and figure out what is the tax bill you have. When we get to the mortgage section, I'm going to have you reference this page. How much are you making? What type of house can you afford? I'm trying to get you to connect the career choice you make with what opportunities and setbacks you're going to have. If you have any questions, please come in at lunch. Let me know. I can also respond to some emails if you're stuck at home, but please take this seriously. It not only affects your grade for this quarter, but it's going to affect some of the decisions you're going to make in the next several years.